Hey, welcome to my channel, Lindsay, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made my own wig because I've been watching a lot of tutorials online and I just wanted to test the waters and see if I could make my own. But of course, I made a few mistakes, like bleaching the knots. I ended up putting too much pressure on the aluminum foil and some of the bleach got into the front of my frontal. And other mistakes I've made are not plucking the hairline straight. This is only the second week that I've made, so I'm still learning, but I'm very proud of myself and how it turned out.
So I braided my hair back and I'm gonna put a cap on it. Okay, next time I'm going to flat iron it and gel it down, but for now I want to wear it natural to see how I like it. The part is a little light. I made a few mistakes when I was bleaching it, but I like it. I don't know if I want to cut the baby hairs.